Hi, there we go. I haven't made a video in a while because I've been super busy with mostly work at this point. And actually, I work at night and I'm just super tired during the day. I'm not gonna lie to you. Plus, there's like a lot of stuff going on right now. Like a lot of stuff going on. But yeah, that's till later. Um, Someone mentioned how come I haven't made one, and now you guys know. And no, just in case you guys are wondering, my ukulele skills have not gotten any better, and to make it even better, I decided to get bongos. It's not going well. I did, though, come up with my title for my one-man band called Paper Plates. So that's some deep shit right there. Pretty much I've been working still, retail, you gotta love that retail shit. People complaining about they can't find something when it's in their face, or people dropping stuff, or my personal favorite, what I like to do still, is putting stuff in people's shopping carts that they don't want. And then you're not paying for it because I don't really care. Yeah, still doing the retail for now, because I'm going to have to probably have to leave that job soon. But like I said, we'll cross that bridge when we get there. Eventually. In a few weeks. More or less. Yeah, I've been at home because I don't really travel much. Um, I have tried, I'm trying to record snippets of certain things, and it's going to be one massive video. You guys have not noticed, I love doing a lot of hand movements for some reason. So yeah, normally while I'm driving, which is a horrible thing. Quick thing right now, don't take pictures and record yourself while driving, because first of all, you look weird. Second of all, you get distracted. And third of all, that makes no sense. People look at you funny because you're talking to yourself to a little device, okay? It's not funny, and people look at you weird. I mean, people already look at me weird, in all fairness. I'm pretty fucking interesting. I'm an interesting person to have a conversation with. But yeah, don't ever do that. But yeah, I'm gonna try to do snippets of things because, I've yet to do a video where I have to actually cut and edit, to a certain extent. I mean, I've done it for homework, but it's just homework. It doesn't really count. And, you kind of hear birds because where I live, it's 90, it'll be like 90 degrees today, and it's hot, and the birds are all like, bro, hello, and I'm all like, fuck you. Birds are not my favorite pets. But yeah, snippets, doing a collage, not a collage thing, it's just like a, like I said. So yeah, you guys have that looking for. Actually, I have like maybe a minute and 15 seconds of it already done, and it's supposed to be a 3-minute video. So we'll see how it goes. I'm trying to post this by April, by the end of April. No, towards the middle of April. Maybe like the 20th, or the 14th. We'll see. I haven't quite decided yet. Plus, there's just still a lot of snippets I have to do, and there's some stuff I have to record. It's gonna be literally last minute, and that's what y'all need to know. And if y'all don't like it, then and God, maybe no one noticed it. It was only me, I guess, when my computer went. Yeah, no, don't mind it. So yeah, just let you guys, just wanted to let you know that look forward to that video that I'm actually working hard for some reason. It's the first time I'm actually working hard for YouTube. Go figure that shit out. Okay. Bye.